All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about a tool that might just change how you think about searching the web. We're talking about a way to find what you need without leaving a digital footprint behind.
You know how it is, right? You search for, I don't know, a new graphics card, and then for the next week, every single website you visit is screaming at you with ads for that exact card. That's not a coincidence. That is the system working exactly as designed. See, the big search engines, their entire business model is building these incredibly detailed profiles on you. Every single search, every link you click, it all gets logged and cataloged to build a digital you that can be sold to advertisers. And that is the core problem SearXNG is designed to fix. I mean, when you put them side by side, the difference is it's night and day. On one hand, you have constant data collection to fuel targeted ads, with secret algorithms deciding what you get to see. And on the other, with SearXNG, you have, well, none of that. No data collection, ad-free content, and you, not an algorithm, are the one in control. So what is this alternative? It's called SearXNG, and trust me, it's a totally different beast when it comes to finding things online. At its core, SearXNG is what's called a metasearch engine. Now, that's a key term. It basically means it doesn't have its own massive, sprawling index of the web. Instead, it acts like a really smart and, more importantly, a really private middleman. So instead of trying to compete head-on with giants like Google or Bing or even DuckDuckGo, SearXNG just uses them. It queries them and a whole bunch of others all at the same time. Then it pulls all their results together to give you the best, most complete answer, and it does the whole thing privately. So, the big question is, how does it actually keep you anonymous? Well, the process is actually pretty slick. So, you hit search on your instance of SearXNG. It takes your query and sends it out to all those other search engines, but it does it with a totally blank anonymous profile. It's not connected to you in any way. Then, it grabs all the results, methodically strips out all the ads and tracking links, and hands you back a nice, clean, neutral list. The end result is really simple but powerful. The search engines it's pulling from, they never know it was you who asked. And the links you get back are completely sanitized. They literally can't follow you around the web. But, privacy is really just the beginning. Where SearXNG just blows everything else out of the water is the insane amount of control it puts back in your hands. I mean, just look at this preferences page. This is not your typical light mode or dark mode setting. No. This is the command center for your entire search universe. You can literally pick and choose from over 88 different search engines. You can even set up different engines for different searches, like say one for images, another for news. Want to turn off safe search? Done. Automatically kill URL trackers? Check. Choose your theme, open results in new tabs. You get the picture. You are completely in the driver's seat. Okay, so it's a fantastic private search engine for your everyday stuff. Got it. But there is a whole other layer to this tool that makes it an absolute powerhouse for developers and anyone messing around with AI. This quote from Zen Van Riel just nails it. SearXNG isn't just a place you go to search, it's a fundamental building block for something much, much bigger. Think about it. What if you could give your custom AI agent or your big data research project unlimited free access to web search results without ever hitting a paywall or a query limit? And that's the secret. That's the part that's a total game changer. SearXNG also functions as a powerful, self-hosted, and completely free search API. You know how commercial search APIs work, right? You're paying monthly fees, you're constantly watching your query limits, and it's all running on someone else's server. With your own self-hosted SearXNG instance, the cost is basically zero. The queries are unlimited, and you control everything. For anyone building AI agents or doing research, this is absolutely massive. And unlocking this superpower is so simple. All you have to do is add this one little parameter to your search query, format equals JSON. Just like that, the normal, human-friendly results page transforms into clean, structured data that any application or AI can instantly understand and use. So let's kind of wrap this up. What does it all mean? What does using a tool like SearXNG actually give you? Well, it means you're turning your search bar from a data harvesting machine into what it should have been all along, a simple, private window to the information you're looking for. Look, here's why it all matters. You get real privacy. No tracking, no profiling. You get total control. You set the rules. You get actual content, not a page just plastered with ads. It's open source, so it's transparent. And it's just so versatile, it's useful for everyone from the casual searcher to the advanced AI developer.
In the end, it's so much more than a search engine. It's really a statement about digital autonomy. And it brings up a much bigger question. If you can reclaim control over this one simple window to the web, what else can you control?